Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of your Discord server. There may be two reasons you want to transfer ownership of your Discord server. Number one, maybe you want to delete your account. Before you delete your account or disable your account on Discord, you have to transfer ownership to another person. Or maybe your community have outgrown you, you can't manage it alone. That's when you also need to transfer ownership. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of your Discord server on the mobile app. This is for the mobile app. So let me show you how to do that in this video. So you have to navigate to your Discord server and click and hold on your icon. So when you click and hold on your server icon, you're going to click on more options. So when you take you to more options of your Discord server, you click on settings. You have to scroll down and look for where it says user management. At user management tab, you're going to click members. Here, you're going to see all the members you have on your Discord server. Now, if you want to transfer ownership, what you have to do is to click on the person you want to transfer ownership to. Click on it. At the bottom, please, you're going to see where it says transfer ownership. Click on it. It says this will transfer ownership of Elvis Chibundu's server to this guy, which is 30557, whatever it is. You click on I acknowledge by transferring ownership to this guy, then you click on transfer. And when you click on transfer, this guy can now have the full ownership of your Discord server. So that's how you transfer ownership of your Discord server using the mobile app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.